Okay, good afternoon, students.
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay. Now Vatsal is going to take he was going to take a lecture, but he having some work, urgent work. So I'm going to take this lecture. Okay.
Okay,
So this is the adjustment we have done from our side. So he will cover. He will take another lecture. Maybe the my lecture he will adjust in that time. That's not. So due to some urgent work, he is not able to take a lecture today's lecture. Okay, so we will finish our next point from the syllabus. Now we are discussing in morning. We have discussed my PPT is visible and my voice is clear. I am audible to all.
yes, sir.
Now okay. We are discussing second chapter, and in that we are discussing social commerce. Morning we have discussed lots of various parts of the mobile commerce, advantages, disadvantages of mobile commerce. Then m-commerce we have discussed. Then barcode we have discussed. QR code we have discussed. So now we are going to discuss social commerce. We are very much aware about that. Social website we are very much aware of that. For that we are connecting with each other by using the social websites. Maybe the lots of persons by single click we can share our information, share our photos, share our videos on that. So social commerce. So social commerce nothing but email. It is a personal email. You will get a personal email. But social where we can send a message to a number of person by a single point of click. We can click on single thing submit. Then we can send or we can share. If we can share with the multiple persons or multiple accounts, we can share our things. So social commerce. Now social commerce where social websites can be used. So social websites can be used for the making the commerce activity, e-commerce activity or business. So nowadays lots of organizations are using social commerce for their day-to-day operations. Now government is also using the social commerce. For example, social websites. Government also government of India, Maharashtra government, state government, central government, maybe the particular ministry. For example, road ministry, maybe the health ministry, maybe go for the education ministry. The minister of the particular head, particular sector, particular department, they are going to share their information on a Facebook Live. They are coming. For example, very good example that our CM, Chief Minister, they are coming on Facebook Live or YouTube Live. They are coming. So nothing but connecting to the more number of people by using a single media or single medium platform. So this is the one benefit that. So everyone are using. My motto is that everyone are using for reaching a number of customer, a large number of customer. So nowadays social media plays a very important role in that, and they are nowadays organizations are taking benefits of that. That we can reach to the particular persons, particular audience, particular customer. Because while opening our accounts, we are giving our information, while giving our profile information, we are giving our age, we are giving our demographic features, we are giving our name, we are giving the qualification. Everything can be given to the social media. The data can be given to the social media platform, and that data can be captured. That data can be analyzed by the particular organization, and that on that basis, maybe they can work on that and they can reach the particular person. Yes, I want to reach a person who are male and having the age between the 30 to 35 years, and those who are belongs from the east of Maharashtra or west of Maharashtra. So only that particular things, that particular audience they can reach. So this is nothing but a filter. So social commerce. So nowadays everyone, an individual person also can do the social commerce, and yes, now and it can be used and it can be a very effective manner. Effectively, it can be implemented in the particular sector, social commerce. Now, why social commerce? I just explained everything because everyone using, we can reach to the n number of customers, n number of audience by using the social commerce, and it is very effective one nowadays. Everyone is having a social commerce account, Flipkart account, Facebook account, Twitter account, Instagram account, YouTube account. Lots of these are some social media platform. So someone they writing blogs. Everything can be available on social media, and it can be a very attractive one. It can be very effective one. So why social media? Predicted 30 million revenue for social commerce marketing 2015. Now we are in 2021. See the things. 67% of spend more online after recommendation. 90% of purchase are subject to the social influence. Generally, we are social influence persons. That हमें कुछ भी लेना पड़ता है. Where if we are going to purchase any product or any services, that time we are taking a feedback. We are looking for the feedback. What are the feedbacks for the particular product? What are the feedbacks given by the particular customers, those who have purchased the services, those who have taken services? So we are taking feedback. Whenever we are to purchase a product, we are asking our friends, our family members, or maybe some neighbors. We are asking them and taking feedback, and on that basis, we can take a decision. So 90% of purchase are subject to the social influence. So we are looking for that. Gartner says that companies will generate 50% of web sales via their social presence and mobile application by 2015. 50%. Now we are in 2021 and see the usage of a mobile phone. If you see that near about 80 to 80%, most 80% of the sales, we can reach, our company can reach their target sales by using the social media and website. Lots of maybe the advertisement policies of the particular government, policies of the particular organizations, maybe their statements of the financial statements are published on a social media. So this is the platform where we are going to reach. Now, levels of social commerce, how social commerce has brought, or how social commerce can be implemented. So we will see that social selling is helping brands take care their online activity to new level, allows new and innovative ways to interact with the customer. Four levels of social commerce are there. We'll see. Okay, so four levels are there. So which are the four levels we'll discuss? Social commerce are first simple post. Generally, we are writing there is a so and so opportunity. These are some products. So where simple post can be posted by the particular organization, particular company, particular seller. So this is the one stage. Second, product reviews. Purpose to share and provide knowledge about the product and services. This is the second stage where product reviews are asked. Product reviews are published. Product reviews are viral on the social media. So these are some products. These are some services we have provided, and these are some reviews we are issued. Then third, conversation. Conversation with a particular individual customer, sharing the real dialogues through the form of online forums of online. Now we have shared our post about our product, our services. Then we have shared our reviews also about the product and services given by the particular customers on various social media platform. Then after that, those who are interested, those who are seeing, and those who are seeing, those who have shown their interest in the particular product, the particular organization, sellers, they can directly contact through the online platform, sharing real-time information. They are sharing real-time dialogues with them. They are doing a conversation with them online platform. And then next is a society of relationship. So built on the fusion of social media and commerce together. So they come together and finally they can do that. So simple post to the particular reaching to the social society of commerce. So these are the some levels of social commerce. First हम simple post करते हैं. It can be a text post, it can be a video post, it can be some clip, it can be some images. Nowadays you can see that lots of short videos are posted on Facebook, posted on Twitter. So where we can look that, and we can, if you click on that particular website or particular video, the data can be captured by the particular website, and they will get an data. So that so and so person, so and so customer has visited that particular website. He has seen particular videos. So yes, that can be data will be to them. So they will take the decision. So these are some steps. Now, what are the impact on a business of a social media? What are the impact on a business of a social media? There should be a positive as well as there is a negative. If your product is good and reviews are given best to you, then surely the customers can buy your product. But same time, it will be opposite to that. If products are bad, services given by you are bad, and customers are also written bad comments on you, then surely it will impact on your sales. The customer will check the reviews of whatever reviews given by the customers, those are existing customers, and they will read that customer reviews, and on that basis we are going to take a decision. Maybe we will feel a problem because that comments are visible to all the persons on a social media. So yes, it can be very advantageous. It can be very beneficial to the company as well as customer on the basis of perspective of selling and buying. Now, what will the impact on business? We'll discuss. E-commerce is getting a lot more interactive and mutual using the social media platform. The social graph becomes a meaningful influence in driving transaction. Business can use social commerce for. Nowadays, you can see that how many followers are there, how many Instagram पे मुझे follow करने वाले हैं, how many YouTube subscribers I have. Nothing but on that basis you come to know that how you are famous, how you are socially famous into the society. मेरे Instagram पे 1 lakh rupees subscriber 1 lakh maybe their followers are there. On Facebook I have maybe the 10 to 50,000 friends are there. Their mutual friends are there and they are following me. On YouTube I have subscribers, a number of subscribers. They are following me. So this nothing but it will gives an strength. It will gives an idea that you are how much you are socially known by individuals or socially known into the society. So this is the this will give you an idea that you can how many customers, how many persons you can reach in particular things. So what are the benefits of a social media or what are the impact of a social media on a business? First, sales optimization. Now their sales can be increased. For example, if you go for the social media, we can reach n number of persons. So there is a no limit, there is a no demographic limit, there is a no time limit where you can reach at any particular place. No. So social media it will increase the sales of the particular organization, sales optimization. How you are advertising, how you are promoting your product and services on social media plays a very important role. How you are promoting, how you are advertising, how you are displaying, how you are writing the write-up for that particular product on a social media, and what strategy you are using, search engine optimization, what are the tags you are using, how you are targeting, that plays very important role, and it will, if you use that particular in such a way that so it will impact on a sales increase. It will surely increase the sale. It will surely increase the sale because we have reached a lot of people on social media within a small period of time, within a fraction of a second. Once you post the thing, it will be visible to all of the particular individual Facebook account or social media account. Now, customer acquisition. This is the second. Customer acquisition, customer retention plays very important role. Customer acquisition, nothing but new customer acquisition. For example, आपका एक प्रोडक्ट है, उसके लिए नए कस्टमर्स आने चाहिए. जो existing है, those who purchase your product, we have to retain them. But if you have to survive into the market, every day we want someone should come to your particular website and he can buy your product. So customer acquisition. So on social media we are reaching n number of customers, n number of audience. Surely day by day, maybe those who are watching that particular advertisement, watching that post or reading that particular post, they can come to your website and they can take a decision. So customer acquisition can be increased. Customer acquisition. New customers are coming to buy your product. So this was the impact on business that new customers can come and they can buy your product. Third, customer loyalty. Customer loyalty, a loyal customer, or as I said, retention of customer. Those who have purchased your product from your company website or maybe the Flipkart, maybe the social website, they have to come once again whenever they want to purchase the same product or they want to take the same services. For example, hotel booking services. Hotel booking, we go for a Trivago or we can go for the other websites. So if you are given a good quality services, best services to them in first order, पहले आपने दिया होगा, then surely they can come to you. Otherwise, हमने offers नहीं दिए हैं, we are not given a good quality services, product was not up to the mark, then surely the customer will not reach to you. Maybe your website, maybe your mobile app, it is not working properly. A customer can feel problem while ordering the particular product and services. So yes, that can create a problem in the retention of a customer. So customer retention, it will impact on a business. Maybe it will increase the customer of your product or maybe decrease in the product. Then customer insights. Yes, customer insights. How customer insights? Anyone? Can we get the customer insights through the social media? Customer insights. What is the customer insight? Anyone? Customer insight, nothing but a feedback given by the particular customer regarding that product. It plays very important role. I am very much satisfied about the services given by the particular company. I am very much happy that the product we have delivered on a particular time. Maybe we will go for the Flipkart. While purchasing any product, we can go for the reviews and we can see that yes, delivery of a product in time, the product reached, product installation on the time, service engineer has come on time, the product quality was good. Really, it will help to customer to take a decision. So, when the customer giving you insights to the company also that your product has reached, but it is in a broken stage. Product has been reached. If you have had, it was a good. We are given a 4-star. But if you have implemented, if you have added this feature in this particular product, this can be a 5-star product. This can be a 5-star product. These are the some lacking. These are the some weaknesses about this product or about these services. The customer can write into that as a feedback, and this is nothing but insights. This is nothing but some information to the company that we are lacking into this particular things. So customer insights can also receive through the social media, and it will impact on a business to retain the customer and acquire the particular new customer. So and maybe the creating a brand value into the particular market. Now third, fourth, and last is the public relationship. So social media plays very important role that where we can reach, there is a no limit where we are reaching to the particular place, only demographic limitation. No, we are reaching to the, there is no demographic location, there is no any filter of the age, there is no filter of the sex, we are not using that. We are reached to the n number of persons by singling posting. So relationship with the particular customers are increased because we are socially, हम कोई भी socially post करते हैं तो it will taken care about that things. आप देखोगे बहुत सारे अभी इंसिडेंट आप देख रहे हो, lots of incidents are happening. Lots of incidents, lots of videos are posting on YouTube, posting on Facebook. आप देखोगे there was one case is going on nowadays. This is not a platform to discuss on that, but case is going on social media. They have posted some videos, and yes, it can taken care by the police department immediately, and yes, they have taken things. So same thing into the public relations are there and improve ROI. What is meant by ROI? Anyone? ROI? ROI. What is meant by that? Generally, we are looking for that. Everyone, individual persons, we are looking for that. Yes, we want ROI, good ROI we are requiring. Yes, for example, we have invested some amount of money into the particular bank. हमने एक FD निकाली है और कुछ हमने कोई प्रोडक्ट खरीदा है फाइनेंशियल. Then we are expecting something. That is called ROI. What is meant by ROI?
Return on investment.
Yes, return on investment. We are expecting return on investment. How much we are invested into that? How much we are expecting? Something we are expecting more than that. So yes, improve ROI. Company can return on investment. For example, they have started digital marketing and they have recruited 2-3 persons. They have recruited team of digital marketing. Those are working on that. Those are working on social media marketing, or those are working on search engine optimization. Is there we are getting some return on investment? हमने उनको एक सैलरी दिया है, 5 लाख रुपए सैलरी दिया है, we are paid on that digital marketing platform के लिए या social media platform के लिए हमने पे किया है. At least I expect some n number of customers should be increased in my company's product. There should be new customers should be there. There is a retention of the particular customer should be there. Then if it is there, then I can say that whatever I invested on a digital marketing, on with the social media marketing, yes, I got return on investment. I got return on investment. Yes, and there is a social media gives a good improves or there is a good return on investment. If you have proper channel you have used, proper media you have used, proper post you have done, then surely your return on investment on social media, whatever you have done, that you will get extra on that. Return on investment are increases of the company. So social media. Now we are going to discuss social network services. So what we mean by SNS? Generally we can call it the SNS, social network services. So no need to explain more that social network services is nothing but a website that gives a social website that will be belongs to the social websites. So we can call it the social network services. We define social network services as a web-based services social network services as a web-based services which allows individual to construct a public or semi-public profile within a bounded system and communicate with the other users and view the pages and details provided by other users within the system also. So the image itself gives you the idea where we can create our profile. It should be private to the public profile or semi-public profile, that your profile can be seen, your profile can be viewed by the particular any individual which is belongs to your friend list, which is belongs to your followers, or which is belongs to your group. They can follow you, they can view you, they can see you, they can see your post. So that is nothing but a social network websites or social network services. It is a website where maybe your individual profile, that profile can be publicly displayed to those who are followers, those who are friends, those who are in your group. Very good example nowadays we are the part of a LinkedIn. Yes, everyone having a LinkedIn accounts? LinkedIn?
Yes, sir.
Yes, social media, this is a social media platform. Nowadays, every time everyone are using a LinkedIn profile. And generally, we are writing a resume also. We are giving our LinkedIn profiles also. It will create, and maybe we will get an extra benefit of that. That we are on a LinkedIn, and they are going to check who are following you, who are your friends are there, which particular groups are you following. That creates that maybe everything can be there. It should be information. Nowadays, LinkedIn can play a very important role. Nowadays, LinkedIn can be used mostly in the particular things. किसके लिए यूज किया जा रहा है अभी nowadays LinkedIn nowadays it is used, plays very important role from the career perspective. Yes or no? Now recruiters, HR recruiters will be their part of the LinkedIn. You also be part of that. Now LinkedIn पे आपको website, for example, आपको apply, they are posting their jobs on LinkedIn. Also, if you want to apply, directly you can apply through the LinkedIn profile itself. Your data, whatever profile data it is there, it can submit it to the company HR. With the individual HR person directly going to contact. For example, यहाँ पे आप देखोगे नौकरी, then timesjob.com, then other नौकरी platform. Those are providing these types of facilities, these types of services, where we have to upload the profile, then we have to see the particular job description, then apply for that. Maybe then Naukri will give you the particular details to the particular HR. Maybe that particular HR will see that कितने लोगों ने apply किया है. But in a LinkedIn, directly you are going to communicate. Directly you are going to contact with the particular person. So this will be the benefit. Now that every organization, आप देखोगे LinkedIn में बहुत सारी कंपनी के organization. For example, this can be a tactic, this can be a strategy. I want to work into this particular Infosys company. I want to get a job into a TCS. Then I can go for the LinkedIn profile, HR TCS. I can search for that. So I can get a list of HR. So you can directly post on his on his particular product, on his profile, that I am so and so, I am looking for this particular job, and kindly find this profile. It can play very important role within a fraction of a second. You can reach to the particular HR. पहले हम एक मेल भेजना था, उसके बाद कौन देख रहा है वो मेल, वो फॉरवर्ड हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है to the particular HR person. Nowadays you can post the things on his profile or her profile. Surely you can reach to them. So this is nothing but the advancement. This is the transformation, and this is the maybe we are saving the time and this is the benefits of social media. Nowadays, if you have a LinkedIn account, yes, getting a job not a difficult task. If you are अपने वैसे लोगों को follow करोगे, if it is in your friend list, surely it will play a very important role. There are lots of groups are there related to the job vacancies on a LinkedIn. Particular specific job, marketing के लिए कोई रहेगा, marketing का भी marketing job vacancies, और maybe HR job vacancies. ऐसे बहुत सारे groups आप देखोगे LinkedIn पे. So you can join that particular group and you will get a lot of posts related. Yes, there is some requirement into the particular company. You can apply from this particular. So this is nothing but benefits. These are some individual benefits. So same time, a company can also get some benefits of that. They can get easily a person for the required skill. So social network services. So this is a social network service services, nothing but Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and these are some example of social network services. Now, advantages of social network services: we are staying connected. Always we are connected with our friend list, maybe our followers, or maybe the subscriber. We are always connected. We are whatever messages are there. If you post on that, surely we can connect to that. Staying connected will be there. The main purpose of social media is to be able to stay connected to the friends and families. Yes, in the pandemic situation, it plays very important role. It has played very important role. Social media. So social media, maybe it can be a played important role to spreading the information about the pandemic situation or COVID-19 situation. Maybe their symptoms, lots of treatments are coming on social media, and lots of maybe if you are go in the pandemic situation, maybe the health ministers, CAM, maybe you can go for the prime minister. They are coming on a social media. They are coming on a social media. So everyone will be the part of social media nowadays, and they can see you, they can watch you on social media, and they can use that platform. So this is the one thing, that staying connected. We can connect with the n number of persons by a single media. So this is the staying connected advantage. Second, finding people with a common interest. Yes, finding people with a common interest. Just I give an example of LinkedIn, and just I give an example of recruitment. I am looking for a job. I am looking for a job. So I can go for the LinkedIn profile, and I can create a profile, and you can write a description of your LinkedIn profile. Generally, your description of LinkedIn profile बनाते हो, it plays very important role that what description you are writing of your profile. Yes, I am so and so. I am MBA student. Maybe I have completed my MBA, and I have done MBA finance, and I have knowledge of Tally and all these things. I am looking for the new jobs in this particular area. So that description gives an information that you are looking for the job. I am looking for the job. I am looking for the new opportunity. I have done this. So yes, finding people with a common interest. I am a recruiter. Then I can search for that MBA finance with the Tally, with having a 2 years of experience on LinkedIn. Yeah, yes, whatever you have written in the description, I can click on your profile directly and I can contact you. So this is nothing but finding people with a common interest. मेरा interest और आपका interest maybe same will be there. Maybe the marketing jobs, maybe the new opportunity job, entrepreneurship work, maybe the legal related groups. Lots of groups are there. Groups हम कब form करते हैं? When there is a common interest, when there is a common things are there. We are looking for something common. हम जब देख रहे हैं, हम मेरा भी आपका भी प्रॉब्लम सेम है, मेरा भी प्रॉब्लम सेम है. Then we can come together and try to solve that particular problem together. So we will get the benefit. So we can start the group. So such types of groups are available. Such types of groups are working on the social media platform. Third, information support, incredibly fast, incredibly fast, incredibly fast. So yes, breaking news and all the important information can spread like a wildfire on social media sites. Yes, I agree for that. You are agree for it. Just आपको post पे click करना है. Fraction of second it will reach to the n number of persons. बहुत सारे आपने देखोगे WhatsApp पे बहुत सारी वीडियोस आते हैं. तो if you see that कि वो within a 1 day or within a 2 day that can be reached to the n number of audience. There is no limitation of an audience where it can be reached. So spread incredibly fast as a wildfire. Wildfire आप देखोगे मतलब जंगल में आग लगती है तब when there is a हवा का झोंका रहेगा तो it will spread. We are not able to control the fire. We are not able to control the fire. It is not in under limit. So same thing incredibly fast. So बहुत सारे while posting any post on various WhatsApp, social media, you have to take care. Always you have to take care. क्योंकि एक बार हाथ से चला गया वो post, it cannot be. We are not able to limit them. We are not able to delete them. डिलीट भी करोगे तो किसी के पास वो रहेगा, उसने स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल के रखा होगा, उसने पीडीएफ डाउनलोड करके रखा होगा, and many things are there. Lots of persons are working on that. So next advantage is help to catch and convict criminals. Yes, very good. It is related to us. Help to catch and convict criminals. People often do not think of the consequences of what they post of these social sites. Pictures of themselves doing the illegal things, or even bragging posts about crimes they have committed are all things that law enforcement use to prosecute these criminals. They also use these sites to identify and solve the existing case. Now police has also the cyber crime department also working on that. people now, lots of cases are there, बहुत सारे लोगों के आपने cases देखे होंगे, there are lots of examples are there on social media कि हम करते वक्त कुछ भी फोटो निकालते हैं, सेल्फी निकालते हैं और we are posting on a website, and this can be a proof of that. कोई भी आप देखोगे कि बहुत सारे पोस्ट आते हैं कि कुछ प्रोडक्ट लेके होते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल क्रिमिनल्स आप देखोगे तो वो मतलब ऐसे हथियार वगैरह लेके फोटो निकालते हैं, सो दैट कैन बी क्रिएटेड थिंग्स और लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स आपने देखा होगा कि बहुत सारे लोग जो है मतलब दे आर नॉट इन इंटेंशन कि ये हो सकता है, दे डोंट नो. आपने बहुत सारे वीडियोस भी देखे होंगे, वीडियोस यूट्यूब पे पोस्ट करते हैं एंड दे कम टू that your videos has been viewed by a particular cybercrime department and that whatever videos में आपने जो किया है it is a crime and yes you are liable for that punishment. So yes, conflict criminals will be they are getting into that. So these are some advantages to the society, to the organization, to the government. Now disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? Perpetuate false and unreliable information. Perpetuate false and unreliable information. Facebook पे आप कुछ भी spread कर सकते हो. Anything can be spread to the millions of people within hours or days on social media. This also unfortunately include things that are false or made up. This information can cause panic and server misinformation in society. Yes, lots of information are told. हम क्या करते हैं कि बोलते बोलते हम पोस्ट पे करते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल हम पॉकेट में मोबाइल फोन रखते हैं, जनरली क्या होता है कि व्हाट्सएप खुल जाता है कभी कभी हम बायोमेट्रिक लगने से और वो जो हमारा माइक रहता है वो स्टार्ट हो जाता है और रिकॉर्डेड होता है और पोस्ट भी होता है. वी डोंट नो दैट इट इज पोस्टेड ऑन दैट एंड इट वाज हैपनिंग. वो इंटेंशनली नहीं किया जाता है बट बाय मिस्टेकली इट हैज हैपेंड. सो यस, so maybe unreliable information can be spread to the first customers, spread to the individual, spread into the society, and it creates a problem. It creates a problem to the things. Perpetuate false and unreliable information. So that things can be there. Causing major relationship problems. Yes, causing major online relationship problems. Online social interaction with the social networking have not only been starting new relationship but ending many others such. Yes. Online social interaction with the social networking have not only been starting new relationship. हम नए फ्रेंड स्टार्ट करते हैं वैसे हम जो फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको ही हम we are ending with the relationship. It is very simple to communicate and share pictures or plans with the person on social media and keep it completely under wraps. Wraps nothing but it is hidden with the others. Plan कर सकते हैं, बात कर सकते हैं, but it is keeping under wraps nothing but it is hidden. This new temptation has been driving wedges into the people real life. Offline relationship often time ending them good. Social networking put trust to the limit. क्या होता है कि सोशल मीडिया पे आप रखोगे कुछ भी आप बोलोगे, it can be we can show that it can be a proof of that. Physical में आप किसी के साथ बात किया है, किसी के साथ आपने there was a relationship, so it can be ending with the both the person. दोनों के साथ हो सकता है, चारों के साथ हो सकता है, बट आपने सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ पोस्ट किया है, it is not limited to the particular individual, particular group. It is, yes, it is posted on everything. So it can be very create some problem. It can cause a problem. Cyberbullying is a growing problem now. Cyberbullying. What is the cyberbullying? We will discuss. So what is the cyberbullying? Having access to the people lives at all times is not always a good thing. Having access to people lives at all times is not always a good time. A new trend of cyberbullying all across the world, it is going on. This is especially true with your young kids. They are publicly harassing one another and posting memes or standalone things which are broadcast to the entire cyber world. मतलब आपकी जो पर्सनल थिंग्स है, पर्सनल फोटोज है, पर्सनल पोस्ट है और कुछ भी मतलब फॉर ब्लैकमेलिंग द थिंग्स. नाउ दिस ब्लैकमेल्स आल्सो बीइंग वन ऑफ व्हाट्स एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग. आपका जो ये है सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट करते हैं, सो इट विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम टू द इंडिविजुअल. साइबर बुलिंग, young kids, especially true with the young kids, they don't have a particular they don't know about the what are the hazards, they don't know about the disadvantages of the particular things what we are doing. कुछ post करते हैं, they are not thinking about that, just post कर देते हैं and it can be a create a problem to them. Cyberbullying is a bullying problem. So having access to the people lives, हम प्रोफाइल बनाते वक्त सब देते हैं ना, मोबाइल नंबर देते हैं, then we are what, where we are living, we are giving addresses, we are giving everything, and they are using their help and they are talking. So they are doing that. आप देखोगे कि बहुत सारे लोग प्रोफाइल का फोटो आप चेंज करके रखते हैं, प्रोफाइल नेम चेंज करके बात करते हैं, बहुत सारे हैं। नाउअडेज यू कैन सी दैट टुडेज न्यूज़पेपर है, मैंने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था कि डेटिंग ऐप के बारे में मैंने पहले भी बात किया। देयर वाज अ टुडेज न्यूज़ ऑन इंग्लिश का, आप इसका पढ़ोगे तो बहुत सारे इन पुणे इटसेल्फ देयर आर अबाउट 50 to 60 केसेस आ रहे हैं डेटिंग ऐप पे जो हुआ है। सो इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ साइबर क्राइम। सो क्या करते हैं कि प्रोफाइल अलग बनाते हैं और आपको दिखाते हैं, और रहते हैं पीछे अलग और उनके चेहरे पे अलग रहता है। सो दैट थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग in cyber, in the social media. We are not able to identify, we are not looking physically, we are not seeing that to particular person, particular individual in a social website. वो कुछ अलग है और कुछ आपको दिखा रहा है, so there is a chances of that particular problem. So this is a disadvantages. Next, use to the profile and discriminate in the job world. Yes, just about everyone has a social media account that shows what they look like. Just I said the type of life that they live and how old they are. Employers are using these to their advantage in some very unsettling ways. Jobs that are looking for a certain criteria of a person but cannot legally express this criteria are using social media to pre-screen their applicants. Yes, nowadays company also doing social. They are doing also. Generally, they can say that employee referral checking. Employee checking करते हैं, profile checking करते हैं. They can go for your website. They can go for the physical place where you are living and your friend's profile. They nowadays, if company wants a good employee, then they check everything. Social media, criminal history, everything they can check from your perspective. So nowadays, these are some disadvantages of a particular social media platforms, social network website. Now, just now advantages and disadvantages on social networking sites for the student. It is not from the syllabus. Just I have taken, you are the students, so for that perspective, I have taken this particular thing. So how much you are aware about this advantages and disadvantages of social networking sites for the student? Not for the syllabus it is there, but yes, advantages: technological literacy. Yes, my students can get technological literacy, technological knowledge, how to use that social media, maybe for earning the job, getting the job, earning the money, and living into the society. Yes, bringing people together. Yes, friends can come together from the same group, same age, same knowledge. They can come together. They can solve their problems. They can share their knowledge. They can use. Students can use for that. Bringing together people, bringing students together. Attract attention. Attract attention. Nothing but you have done something new, and you want to share that. You want to display that. You can use the platform of the social media, where you can display. You can show your whatever you have achieved. Maybe the new things you have done. You have done some invention. You can post on that particular website. It can be proof that you have invented. आपने post किया है तो आपने वो invent किया है. आपने कुछ किया, कुछ नया बनाया है. So you can post on that and attract attention of the particular target customer, target audience. आप attend कर सकते हो. Breadth of knowledge, yes, breadth of knowledge is nothing but yes, we are not limited with the on social media. We are not limited to the particular demographic picture. We are not limited to the age. We are not limited with the experience. So if I have some problems, for example, very good example, there are some website. I don't know, Quora करके एक website है where we can post our problems on that Quora or something. I just forget the name. Where we can post our problems. Generally, IT persons, they have their, if they have some technical problems or some problems in the software, generally they can post on that particular platform, and they are getting answers, getting a solution for that particular things. So breadth of knowledge. I am not limited with my company. I am not limited with the particular my friends only. If I post that particular problem on that particular website, I can get n number of answers, n number of solutions from the lots of students, lots of friends, and there is a no limitation of these particular experience. So breadth, nothing but a wide variety of answers, wide variety of inputs can be received by you. So this opportunity to the wider business, we can reach n number of customers by using the things. So students, now disadvantages, distraction. Yes, distraction will be there. Always we are using Facebook, always we are using WhatsApp, always using the social media. हमारे हाथ में मोबाइल फोन रहता है तो क्या करते हैं, डायरेक्टली we can see the WhatsApp, what is social media, पे क्या चला है. फोन बज गया, SMS का SMS घंटी बज गया, then we are going to see the WhatsApp किसने भेजा. So distraction can be a problem. health problems can be there. Always we are using a mobile phone, maybe the eyes problem will be there facing, maybe there's some health issue can be there, anxiety, blood pressure can be, it can create a problem. Maybe the sleep का भी problem हो सकता है, आपको नींद नहीं आएगी. आप for example हम सोते हुए 12 बजे तक 1 बजे तक हम मोबाइल फोन देखते रहते हैं. So it will create a health problems. Yes, nowadays everyone, maybe students also, always there as individual persons. I'm not limited with the students, but yes, we also facing the problem. Health issue will be there always. Relationship problems will be there. It can be illegal crime and virus attacks can be possible. Illegal crimes maybe suddenly क्या होता है कि हम हमें कुछ नहीं करना है, but suddenly it can be happen कि पोस्ट हो जाता है, कुछ पोस्ट हम पोस्ट करते हैं, but it can be illegal crime and negative effect on worker productivity, nothing but your student. हम हर बार मोबाइल देखते बैठेंगे तो हमारा पढ़ाई नहीं होगा, पढ़ाई नहीं होगा तो yes, that can be things. So these are the some advantages and disadvantages of social networking sites and social networking websites. Now we are going to discuss social media and social networks in the next class. Okay, today we will stop here. We will discuss whatever remaining on Monday lecture we will discuss. You have any questions? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, okay. Thank you for joining the class. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.